Hey there, are you a startup founder experiencing strong growth with your company? Or the other way around, your company is currently stagnating and you need new opportunities? Would you like to have an external perspective? We have a training to help you change. My name is Petra Wolkenstein. I'm a growth expert and work with startups on their strategy every day and will guide you through our training strategy review. How to review your strategy in changing times, look back, generate options, and make new decisions. By the end of the course, you will be able to review your strategy, look back at what is already in place, generate options, make new decisions, consider implications, and come up with a new implementation plan. Identify your core competencies and key assets. Prioritize your long list according to impact, confidence, and ease, the ICE scoring model. How to revise and redefine new target groups and new products and services, and about the impact of current trends on your business. Ready to revise your strategy with a great course? I invite you to join Konsultori.